Alright, today we're going to talk about another diphthong, which is diphthong IE. So it's pronounced like the English word yeah, except that the sounds are shorter. So note that when there is a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately. So this is similar to the rules that we've seen previously for diphthongs. So if you have a written accent over any of those letters, the vowel sounds are pronounced separately. So with that said, let's look at some examples.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the IE diphthong.
Bien,
Bien,
cien,
cien,
cielo,
cielo,
siempre,
siempre,
tiene,
tiene, yes,
tiempo,
tiempo, which means time or weather.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the manner of the native speakers.
bien,
Bien,
cien,
cien,
cielo,
cielo,
siempre,
siempre,
tiene,
tiene,
tiempo,
tiempo,
Listen and repeat.
bien,
bien,
cien,
cien. So notice that we haven't had any examples where you have a written accent over a letter. So this is all of them so far have been combining the vowel sounds and
cielo,
cielo,
siempre,
siempre,
tiene,
tiene, and the last one,
tiempo.
tiempo. Alright, so in the next video, I'll be looking at consonant N. So until then, see you next time.